Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install rare and zip file packing and unpacking app on your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Air. Hit the search button, open this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Now we'll need to grant it all file access, so here you'll need to locate rare, select it, then allow access to manage all files, go back, dismiss, and here's our app and it's ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.